Hi guys, welcome back to Good Technical Training. So in this video, we're going to install GNS3 software, from which you're going to do several simulations, including Cisco routing and switching, Windows Server administration, and FortiGate firewall administration. So before we maybe begin, if you're new to this channel, or if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly do us this favor. Please hit on the subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment below so that we can know what you're thinking, right? Okay, thank you so much. And let's begin. How do you install GNS3 software? Well, we've been using Packet Tracer to simulate routing and switching, as well as firewall administration, Cisco SA firewall. Okay, so for you to simulate multi-vendor devices, we need uh, another software, and one of the software that can do this is GNS3, and you can as well use other softwares. Okay, right. So in this case, let's download and install GNS3. So to install GNS3, just go to gns3.com, then you click under software, right? Then you'll be taken here. You can download here, but in my case, I have downloaded GNS3. Yeah, so here it is. I've downloaded this application plus this virtualization image, right? So for this one, we'll talk about it later. But as for now, let's install GNS3 on our Windows 10 machine. So I'm just going to right click and run, then open, right? Okay, just go next, agree this license, go next, and here it tells us which option we want to install. In this case, let me expand the tools. In this case, GNS3 desktop is a mandatory. GNS3 web client is not mandatory in this case. GNS3 VM, we have it here. I've already downloaded it. Okay, so ensure whenever you're downloading a GNS3 VM, make it to be the same version. You see, my version is 2.2.45. Okay, all right. So let me just scroll down and let me see which option I can take or I'll leave. Okay, I think I don't want this solar putty. I'll need to remove it. Okay, Wireshark. I have Wireshark actually. Yeah, I have Wireshark. Okay, so you just don't install everything. You check whatever you have. I have my Wireshark on my side. And pickup, I think I have it. But let me just skip it so that maybe it updates. But for Wireshark, I have it, okay? All right, so just go next. Next. Right, then we leave it to install. Okay, so we've managed to install GNS3. Go next. SolarWinds, we don't want to give any review. Say no. Next, and start GNS3. Nice. So we've actually successfully downloaded GNS3. All right. So it will redirect you to their site. Okay. All right, and you can also do some things here. Right. So our GNS3 application is here. So basically, in GNS3, it normally has cars where we run our appliances. All right. You can choose to run your appliance in a virtual machine, you can choose to run your plans on your local computer or a remote server. So this is going to be our next step, right? So in the next video, let's learn how to download and install GNS3 VM, okay, where we're going to run our appliances. Okay, all right. So thank you so much, guys. Let's see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.